Okay guys, so welcome to my new video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 1x18 diecast model of Maruti Suzuki Swift. Sadly, the model doesn't have any openable doors, but still I hope you will enjoy the video. And we also made a miniature 1x18 diorama house for this video, so let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you want to see the making of the miniature diorama house, you can click the video on the screen. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.